Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to fix missing field merchant has return policy in offer in Shopify. Having a clear return policy is very important for any e-commerce store. It's wild trust with customers, reduce purchase anxiety, and can even lead to higher conversion. But from an SEO perspective, Google want to provide the most informative search result possible. When you tell Google you have a return policy, it allows them to display that information with your product listing, potentially making them more appealing to potential customers. This can lead to more click and ultimately more sales for your store. There are two ways to fix this issue. Number one, using Google Merchant Center. This is recommended approach. Google Merchant Center allow you to upload your product information and configure your shipping and return policy directly. This information will then be used to enrich your product listing in search result. And another way is to adding structured data to your Shopify theme. This involves adding code snippet to your theme that tells search engine about your return policy. So now let's go back my computer screen and let me show you how we can fix this issue. First of all, you have to log in your Google Merchant Center account, then click on shipping and return buttons, click on it. Then you can see that there are two options, shipping policy and return policy. So as we want to add return policy, so click return policy, and here you can add return policy very easily. For example, you have to click on the add return policy, then you have to add return policy URL from your website. Here is the example www.yourwebsite.com return policy page link. Then you have to add country. To begin adding return information, select a single country or multiple countries that share a return policy. Then you have to set up this return option. Do you accept returns? If yes, select yes. If no, select no. Then you have to select the exchange option, and finally you have to click on the next in here. So I hope you understand how to add return policy from your Google Merchant account. Now we are going to learn how we can do this from our Shopify store dashboard or from our Shopify theme. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. So I am going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, click on this three dot icon, edit code. Now open snippet folder, click on add a new snippet, file name product schema.liquid, click on done. Okay, now you have to add product schema code. Here is the product schema code that I am going to add right now. Just going to copy this code. Okay, then paste this code in here, and you can see that we have added this line has merchant return policy, but you have to add full code in here. And now the big question, how you will get this code snippet. To get this code snippet, you have to become members of my YouTube channel. Then you will get this code snippet fully free. You can contact with me by WhatsApp, with my Facebook page, or with my email. Also you will get regular exclusive video guideline tutorials and code snippet to improve your website ranking, improve the design, also get free audit service. So I hope you understand. Okay, we have done so far. Then click save. Okay, now we have to search product, then open main product.liquid file, scroll down, and you have to add a single line of code in here just above this schema code. Include product schema, then click on the save. We have done. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO, Google Merchant account or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.